There you go.
There.
Ayos.
There you go.
Si Dan.
Yeah, Dan, you should be. You gotta show us how.
Puro mo si Dan mo. Doon ka sa kabila.
Look at that.
Hindi yung light. Ayun ang maraming usok ko.
Klase mo yun.
Oh, see, that's how you do it. That's how we do it. Oh, Puff the Magic Dragon.
It's cool, right? It's good. Very light. It's not like...
And one like that would last for an hour?
Where were you? Saudi Arabia.
Mas marami pa yung usok sa mukha niya kaysa yung picture.
Yeah, this one is, yeah, it's okay. Eh, Mark, nakikita ka na, Mark.
Ano yan?
Kita ka na, kita ka na.
Tayo! Video eh!
Ay, ganyan ba dapat? Eh, hindi kasi kita yung bula eh.
Kaya yan.
Mark, hindi pa rin eh. Itim pa rin yung nakikita ko eh.
Ayun, oh. Wow!
Pagkaganon mo yan.
Ikaw, pare. Ikaw ang ano eh. Oh.
Joe, para sa...
Para sa...
Yeah, your girlfriends are going.
Yeah.
You're getting excited.
They're very excited and happy with the new thing.
Mat, nangingitin mo. Uy, pumuputi ka na,
Get,
Mark.
get like, look, just don't fall hard.
Kasi hindi yung usok, di ba? Pumuputi ka.
Bugan mo
Drag it as much as you can. And hold
Pumuputi
it for
ka
a
sa
second.
usok.
And then let it out real slow.
Dragon! Dragon!
Ano yan? Yung silver na yan?
No, hindi pa pala ako sa rito. Mahigo po na rito kasi baka yung air ng meron siyang leak. Baka yung air dito nagagaling ng night.
They have like little tips that you put on it. Everybody can have their own little tip. So you can put your mouth right on it. You get that? Yeah. It might be getting low on the ash.
Parang insenso yan ah.
Sige nga. Try nga.
Kaya ako hindi...
Wala ka.
Sa mata, sa mata.
Sige, sige.
Sa mata, ha? Sige.
Sa mata yan ha, sa mata ha.
Para ka humihigop ng
Yeah, put
drugs
the lemon
na.
in.
Wala nga. Nakapikit pa talaga. Sige nga. O, nasa na yung usok sa mata.
Pare oh.
Thank you. Grabe yan. Asan?
Wow! Wow!
Now, we have to dance now.
Ganun, pare, ganun. Yan, pare. Ganunin mo na, ganunin mo yan. Ganun, oh, pare, oh.
Siya yung
But when it's
nagugulgamit.
fresh out of the bag, you can taste it. It's more vibrant. You can tell it's still good because it's juicy.
Oh. Parang gold.
Dragon.
The dragon. Dragon Katol. Sigurado lamok ay tepog.
Kasi korte-bigote mo eh.
Ang galing ng bigote.
Malayo ka. Lapit ka ng konti sa ano.
Lumapit ka
Asa na? Hindi ko makita eh. Buga mo, hindi ko makita.
Kung masyadong seryoso mo.
Kasama yan sa
Oo.
Seryoso eh, no?
Poise na poise eh.
Diyan ako tinuruan ni Mark. Ay, ni Mike.
Oh?
Galing ah.
Parang bubay nga, bubay.
Why like this?
Yun lang usok mo.
Nagdidito sa utak.
Nah!